Got him. Got him. That one's a classic chase. Just little guys. Just little guys. But a leaker nonetheless, just a little guy. Alright, welcome to Winnipesaukee. My intro to this video got corrupted or something like that. But I know that I'm gonna get questions in the video about what I'm using. I'm using the Winni Kit from Bennett Fishing, my website, bennettfish.com. It comes with everything you need to fish smelt lakes here in New England. And the sonar that I'm using is a Garmin LiveScope Plus, that's the transducer, and then I have a bunch of different screens, but the 93 SV is the lowest end unit that you can use for LiveScope. That's what you guys are gonna see here on the side of the video. It's really cool. Yes, it's kind of like cheating, but it's not really cheating because I can't cast to them. I'm just seeing how they interact on the way up. Oh, hold on. Got him. Aquaview wasn't rolling. I mean, sonar recording wasn't rolling. That's number 5 for today. 6 or something like that, maybe 5. All right, another one right there. Going back in. And he's stuck in the hole. Fish. Oh, got him. Got him. Lifted up and he was right there. Same size. Same size. Grab him by the tail if you can. If not, right behind the gill plate. That actually helps them burp. And you can send them right back down. Just like that. Since I'm not eating any today. Oh, you bugger. Got another one. As soon as I started panning around with LiveScope. Yes, sir. Just another one. Going back in. Oh, we got a fish. We got a fish. We got a fish, we got a fish, we got a fish, we got a fish, 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 got a fish. Non-commitment. Oh, he likes that. Oh, you bugger. Chased, but no committal, folks. Maybe he'll come back around. I doubt it. Oop. Got him. God, it's been hours, guys. Hopefully I land this one. Pulling him up from 45 feet. There you go, you little whippersnapper. Oh, perfectly hooked right in the snout. And get a little burp out of him. And right down they go. Go, buddy. There we go. Oh, here comes another one. Come on. No, they don't want to chase today. Just don't want to chase. Oh. Got him. Gotta gain ground so you can set the hook, guys. Gain that ground. Racer. Racer, racer, racer. Come, Holy Ghost.
I've ever had in my life. One of them saying is 100% true. We're in Vegas. Isla brings her boyfriend to Vegas. He's never had internet.
Oh, he smoked it. Oh, wolf pack of them. Wolf pack, wolf pack, wolf pack, wolf pack, wolf pack, wolf pack. Oh, oh, I got him. I got him. Come on, you've got to be. I have this fish on right now, and he hasn't realized he's hooked yet. Got him. A whole wolf pack down there. That was sick, and I set the hook with my hand. Just a little guy. Let me see if I can drop down and get his brother down there. That was sweet. Minus the whole tangledness. Alright, that's it, folks. If you want to see more content, either click here and click here. I will see you on one of those next videos. We caught a bunch of lakers today. I don't even know how many. But all in the Winni Kit. If you want to support the channel or you want to be guided, visit bennetfish.com. And they'll take you out and you can use the Winni Kit and slam some lakers.